In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header color on your Shopify store. This quick guide will walk you through every step so you can easily customize your store's appearance. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, then select Themes. This is where you control the look and feel of your store. Find your current theme and click Customize. This opens Shopify's theme editor, which lets you make visual changes and instantly preview how they'll look. Once inside, look at the left-hand panel and click on the header section. Here you'll find settings that control the top area of your store, the first thing customers usually see. Next, open the color scheme settings. You'll see predefined schemes, but you can also use the color picker to choose your own shades or enter a specific color code. Adjust the background, text, and accent colors until they match your brand's style. Don't forget to also adjust the menu color scheme so that your navigation menu complements your header. Again, you can use presets or pick custom colors for a personalized look. Once you're happy with your design, click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. It's a good idea to preview your store in both desktop and mobile views to make sure everything looks great across devices. And that's it. You've successfully changed the header color on your Shopify store. Small design tweaks like this can go a long way in making your store feel professional and aligned with your brand identity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore other sections in the theme editor for even more customization options.